Hello and once again welcome to the show by Roshi. Well, today I am going to explain you how exactly to do a Pratiloma Pranayama and what exactly are its benefits. Okay. Well, before I tell you how exactly to do a Pratiloma Pranayama, let me say you something about this pranayama. Well, Pratiloma Pranayama is nothing but it is exactly the inverted way of doing the Anuloma Pranayama. Okay, you are going to apply the same concept of Anuloma Pranayama but in inverted way. Okay, so Pratiloma means inverted. Okay, Prati means inverted. Okay, whereas Pratiloma means inverted way of doing the pranayama. Pranayama means again the breathing technique. So inverted breathing technique of Anuloma Pranayama, that is nothing but the Pratiloma Pranayama. Okay, you seem to be confused. Let me show you once again. So Pratiloma means inverted Anuloma. Okay, you are going to, if you translate it perfectly, it is inverted Anuloma. That is Pratiloma Pranayama. So it is the inverted Anuloma breathing technique. So let us do it. So initially what you need to do is your body has to be erect. Okay, your body has to be erect, your shoulders has to be firm, and the concentration has to be well. Okay, so you can be in Jnana Mudra position. Now what you need to do is you need to hold the fingers, you need to fold the fingers in such a way that the index finger has to be folded in this way. Okay, the right thumb should be used to close the right nostril, whereas the ring finger should be extended to close the left nostril in this way. Okay, in this way, right thumb right nostril, left thumb left nostril. Okay, so as I said earlier, it is the unnatural way of doing the pranayama. Like you are going to have a deep long breath-ins from one nostril, okay, left or right. Then you are going to have a deep long breath-outs from two nostrils. That is natural way of breathing out. So the ultimate aim, or you can say the main aim of Pratiloma Pranayama is have a deep long breath-ins from one nostril, either left or right, and try to have a deep long breath outs from two nostrils. That is the natural way of breathing out. So you are going to have a deep long breath ins in unnatural way and deep long breath outs in natural way, which is exactly the inverted way of doing the Anuloma Pranayama. Okay, so that is nothing but the Pratiloma Pranayama. So let us do that. So the first thing is you need to breathe in from left or right. Okay, so try to close the right nostril with the help of the right thumb. Okay, try to fold your index finger in this way, and your ring finger has to be extended to the left nostril. So try to have a deep long breath in. Okay, fill your lungs. Try to have a deep long breath in. Fill your lungs. Okay, blow your chest. Now have a breath out naturally. Close your eyes. Okay, in this way. And similarly, now change to right nostril. Close the left nostril with the help of the ring finger. Okay, now deep long breathe inwards. Okay, fill your lungs, blow your chest. Now breathe out. Okay, and again. Breathe out. Again breathe in from right nostril. Breathe out. Okay. So this is the way you got to do the Pratiloma Pranayama. Try to do for at least 5 to 10 times. Try to have breath ins and breath outs for at least 5 to 10 times, and do at least for 5 minutes in a day. Okay. So one more important thing I would like to say in this pranayama is Kumbhaka. I would like to use the word Kumbhaka. Kumbhaka means retention. Retention means the holding the breath. Okay. Well, this is a technique should be used by a very well practiced fellows, or you can say the beginners shouldn't be doing this. Okay, so the process is, when you're trying to have a deep long breath ins, you got to hold the breath, then you got to breathe out. Okay, so and that ratio has to be in 1:2:3 ratio. So what exactly is the 1:2:3 ratio? So let me explain you. Let us think that you are having a deep long breaths inwards. The time taken for deep long breath inwards is 1 second. Then you have to hold the breath for 2 seconds. Then the breath outs has to be for 3 seconds. Okay, 1:2:3 ratio. And you got to increase the frequency of this ratio. Like try to increase from 1 second to 4 seconds. Let the time taken for deep long breaths inwards is 4 seconds. Then try to hold the breath for 8 seconds. Then breathe out for 12 seconds. 4:8:12. That is 1:2:3. Okay. So let us do that. So initially breathe in. Hold the breath. And remember that you shouldn't be making much sound when you're trying to breathe in or breathe out. Okay, try to minimize the sound and try to do it very slowly with greater concentration. Okay, the concentration has to be on your breathing. Okay, that is the key. Okay, so this is the way you are going to do the Pratiloma Pranayama. So now let me tell you what exactly are the benefits of the Pratiloma Pranayama. Well, the major benefits of the Pratiloma Pranayama is it actually improves your patience. Okay, it improves your respiratory system, it improves your flexibility of your lungs. Okay, it improves your concentration, and the mind gets relaxed, and you are going to become more peaceful in the way of your life. Okay, and also it cures your BP problems. Your BP will become normal, your diabetes will be cured, your migraine will be cured. Okay, and the asthma will also be cured. Okay, so these are the major benefits you are going to get from this pranayama. Well, apart from these benefits, you are going to get also, you are going to get other benefits also. They're related to the spiritual energy. That is, you are going to connect your mind with your body. Okay, the connection between your mind and body will be improved a lot. Okay, well, the sense, you are going to sense yourself. Okay, you are going to feel more confidence in yourself, and you are going to become more conscious. Okay, and you are going to achieve the tranquility and self-enlightenment. Okay, so this is the other benefits apart from the major benefits you are going to get from any other pranayama. Okay, so these are the major benefits you are going to get from this pranayama. So hope you have understood what exactly is the concept of Pratiloma Pranayama and what exactly are its benefits. So thank you for watching this video. So practice very well with greater concentration. Meet you in the next video. For now, Namaste.